today I've got the absolute pleasure to be at Decathlon in France on behalf of AMFG. Arnaud, thank you very much for this great opportunity. It's been an absolute pleasure to be walking around this absolutely phenomenal facility that you have. Now, firstly, tell us about your business and how it started.
Thank you for being here.
No, thank
you. The business of additive manufacturing in Decathlon starts around 7 years ago. And we start very small with 2 guys, 3 guys with 1, 2, 3, 4 printers. And we grew step by step. So we introduce more technologies. We start with prototyping. So we did prototyping for the people, the consumption teams that are very close to here in this site of the Between Village. Then we go to the spare parts, production parts also. And now we produce thousands of parts every year for our facilities all over the world in Decathlon.
Now, all around the world, I mean, you mentioned all around the world. I want to give our audience a bit of a perspective how large Decathlon is as a business. You have over 80,000 employees around the world, is that correct?
We have almost 100,000 employees right now in the world. We are present in, I think it's like more than 42 countries. So it's really a large company. And we make, we design, we create our own product. And to have additive manufacturing lab internally is really something that saves us a lot of time, saves us also money, and help us to make better products.
Well, you're actually the largest sports retailer in the world, I believe.
Yeah, indeed.
Now, AMFG, we're going to be talking about their software, but firstly, can you explain why you personally wanted to get into additive manufacturing?
When I met Julien, I discovered a bit additive manufacturing. I just saw some video over the internet, and it was really the beginning of this technology. And I think it was really cool. And when I go deeper into additive manufacturing, I discover all the full potential this technology has over the industry, over the supply chain management. And I really want to be part of it. I said, okay, this is something very cool that can change the world, and I want to help the world to be better thanks to additive manufacturing.
And how does AMFG play its part in this partnership, strategic partnership that you have together?
AMFG help us to scale. Thanks to the solution, the software solution, we can deal more orders from our internal customers. We can manage the same process for production, spare parts, and prototyping, which is really important for us to have the same process and to save time and to be more efficient.
And with the AMFG software, how does it help with automation?
So with the automation, it helps us, it prevents errors. So because the computer does stuff that before the operator was doing, so we can make it faster. And also we can operate between AMFG and other system, other software. For example, it can help us to get the orders from the Decathlon website directly to AMFG, so the operator has nothing to do except production.
So you've started to make the additive manufacturing parts in production. And what is the vision of this business? Is it going to be rolled out globally? And how many parts do you think that will be made in an additive way? And what benefits will you get from this as a business?
So there are still a lot of opportunities to develop additive manufacturing for production. Right now, in the 2 first months of 2003, we produce almost as many parts as last year. So it's really something that scales a lot. And our vision is really to build a network of different manufacturers. We, for the moment, produce all the parts internally, but our vision is to develop the right process and the best solution, including software solution, to have a kind of package and recipe, like I could say, we could give to our suppliers, and so they can produce where it's needed. So, for example, if we need parts in Asia, it's totally silly to produce in Europe and send to Asia. It's better to have a good manufacturer in Asia, or I don't know, in Europe or in the US. And that's really our vision, and we are working hard on that.
In regards to the software and AMFG, could you run your business without them?
No, I don't think so. Definitely now the business is too big, and we really need a good software solution to rely on. Because when we start the journey, I think we'll stay like 2 weeks without having a software. And since the beginning, we introduce a software solution to help us to be more productive, and we keep this way now with AMFG.
It's been an absolute pleasure, and we look forward to following you on your journey. Thank you.
Thank you.